Okay, so first thing to do in order to find the slope of the tangent is to derive this function here. And the first step of implicit derivative is to derive every part of the equation, the left and the right side of the equal sign. To derive this first part x to the power of 3y, you need to use the product rule. So to get the derivative of the first one, 3x squared times the second one as it is, plus first one as it is, now the derivative of the second. Remember that the derivative of y is supposed to be 1, and then we always multiply an implicit derivative by y prime whenever we're deriving y. This is then minus 4 root x could be rewritten as 4x to the power of half. So when I get the derivative of that, it will become half times negative 4, which is negative 2, x to the power of negative half. All of that is then equal. The second part of the equal sign is still a product rule as well. So x squared minus times y, the derivative of that will become the derivative of the first one, 2x. Second one as it is, plus first one as it is. Now the derivative of the second, which will be y prime. Now I'm supposed to put everything that has a factor of y prime on one side and everything else to the other side, which means I need to move this to this side and these two to the other side. I'll have here x to the power of 3y prime minus x to the power of 2y prime. On the other side, I'll have 2xy minus 3x squared y plus 2x to the power of negative half. I need to solve for y prime, so I'll take y prime as a common factor. Open the bracket, and what's left is x to the power of 3 minus x squared. Again, whatever is after this equal sign will remain as it is. You can only, if you want, change x to the power of negative half to make it over root x. In that case, I'll just need to move this bracket to the other side by division since I'm trying to solve for y prime. I'll have 2xy minus 3x squared y plus 2 over root x. And all of this is then divided by x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 2. You're asked here to find the slope only, not the entire equation, which means you just need to substitute now in the derivative using this point over here. And to do that, you'll just put instead of the x, 2, and instead of the y, root 2, just as given in the question. Again, one more time, 2 to the power of 2 and root 2. Plus 2 over root 2, and all of this is then divided by 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 2. Put this whole thing on your calculator and you'll get the answer of negative 2.47. That is supposed to be the slope of this equation. That's it.